Welcome back to my morning report analysis and videos with me, which is market analyst at Hantec markets on Monday 11th of February. Let's have a look at cable, which has been in this sort of consolidation really in the last few sessions. It's been traded between 30 big figure on the upside and then back down towards 28.50, but I've been suggesting that this old pivot at 28.15 is probably a decent level of support now, and it's basically just hovering within this almost 200 pip band of support, I suppose, within this range. Range that dates back to July, pretty much between 33 figure on the outside, 24.75 on the downside. So it's basically middle of that range, trading around all these flat moving averages. So it's really fairly well contained, I think, given the fact that the market was accelerating lower. That acceleration started to find some support on Super Thursday for the Bank of England. Since then, it's sort of been hovering around. A little bit of a negative hint coming out from the growth and industrial production numbers for the UK, and that's sort of put sterling on the back foot today, but it's recovered pretty well actually since then. You can see that on the hourly chart where we've just ticked higher, sort of leaving a bit of support at 28.90, and that's above the 28.50 level of support from Thursday. But there is still a negative bias and a corrective bias trading underneath all these moving averages. You've got the momentum indicators on the hourly chart negatively configured as well. You're underneath 60 on the RSI, failing around that neutral point on the MACD lines. So little rallies are being sold into on sterling at the moment, and it's been that way certainly since sort of the latter stages of January. So throughout Feb so far, we've been a little bit corrective. Falling away, lower highs, lower lows. So the attraction is for selling into a little bit of strength on sterling dollar. Now the caveat to that is how any sort of Brexit related news flow impacts on sterling this week. So we're going to still obviously keep an eye out for that, but in the meantime we're sort of playing mildly on the negative side on the technicals. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.